Look, I'm gonna show you the exact process to make a beat real fast. This whole entire process took me about 15 minutes from start to finish, but for you beginning producers out there, it's gonna be very valuable knowledge. I'm gonna squeeze everything into about 5 minutes. I'm gonna squeeze everything into a very simple formula so it's easy for you to understand. Make sure you watch it to the very end. Start like this and go. Okay, so something I do is turn down the main volumes. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit too. Sorry, I'm not really talking in this one sometimes. Sometimes it just happens like that. Want the FLP, go ahead, click the link below and I'll give it to you, all the sounds, everything you need. Just click the link to the page, all right? a beginning producer, you're in the right place. Check out my other videos to keep learning more about producing. If you want to learn faster, go ahead and join the membership.